You want to learn how to draw in more dimensional and realistic ways. Perhaps you already know the most basic things and what is a shadow, light and reflections, but however your work maybe is not enough bright and vibrant as you would like it. So let's solve it! My name is Lera Kiryakova and I'm freelance illustrator. Mostly I draw illustrations and characters in digital in Photoshop. Coloring and rendering are my favorite stages in drawing, and I always pay attention to it most of the time. In this course, I want to share with you my tips and show you what to focus on, because in drawing even small details can make a big difference. This course includes theoretical and practical parts. In the first part, you will learn what tone is, and make sure that tone has the main role in drawing three-dimensional objects. Then I will tell you how to make a realistic connection between objects so that each piece doesn't look like cut and pasted, and the overall image looks complete and harmonious. We will also talk about rendering mistakes that are often common for beginners and what techniques can improve your rendering. For example, ambient occlusion, accents, photo textures, and so on. In the practical part, we will try to put the knowledge we've learned into practice and we'll draw a birthday cake together. Here we will learn how to draw not only dimensional objects, but also glow and shiny materials. This course, we will need a computer and Photoshop. You can also use iPad and Procreate, and the basic tools are all very similar. Welcome to my course and go ahead to create your beautiful and vibrant works.